A yellow belt is someone who has been trained in Six Sigma to have a fundamental understanding of Six Sigma principles. They will be able to converse with other belt levels and exercise use of the terminology. Some experts challenge the value of training and using employees in roles such as yellow belts, where individuals receive less training and are less involved in Six Sigma than those in traditional Six Sigma roles. Yellow belt training is targeted towards supervisors, managers, directors, and sometimes executives. Responsibilities of a yellow belt are very different than that of a green belt or black belt, but they are often very similar and sometimes exactly like champions or stakeholders. Although the level of hands-on involvement with Six Sigma tools is diminished, yellow belts can still play an essential role in moving the project forward and managing resource issues and solution implementation. Green belt training is less intense compared to that of a black belt. Training includes all comprehensive elements of Six Sigma, with less emphasis on the statistical aspects as well as advanced techniques such as design of experiments. The green belt has nearly identical responsibilities as the black belt when it comes to projects, but you might typically find green belts working on less complex challenges or problems that are not as dynamic as a black belt project. Unlike the black belt, you generally will not find dedicated green belt professionals in the organization. Most green belts retain the positions they had prior to being trained in Six Sigma and use the new skills to improve their working environment and performance. Most green belts retain the positions they had prior to being trained in Six Sigma and use the new skills to improve their working environment and performance. Green belt duties and responsibilities closely align with those of the black belt. The primary difference comes in the scope and frequencies of these duties. Green belts are typically regarded as black belts with a divided amount of time between their Six Sigma role and other job responsibilities. As such, green belts typically do not manage teams or multiple teams and typically serve in a support role.